This week we'll be learning how to make the multi-purpose liquid wash. Hello messy lovers, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to have you back this week, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please take a minute to subscribe, like, share, comment. So stay tuned as we go into this video. So first off, let's start by running down the chemicals we'll be using. This is nitrosol. Nitrosol has a very powdery smooth feel to the touch, and it's like your semo or cornstarch. Up next is sulfonic acid. It's a foaming booster and it looks just like honey. Alright, it's a cleaning agent too as well in this production. Up next is Texapon. Texapon looks like the starch we used back in the days, or like a very thick aloe vera gel. Here we have caustic soda. It's very corrosive. You can see I'm not touching it. It can burn your skin if not handled with care. Alright, it has a powdery grainy feel. And this is soda ash. Soda ash honestly looks like the detergent we buy from the market. It doesn't hurt. It's a cleaning agent and a thickening agent, and it's grainy to the touch. This is SLS and it has the rice look. Just look at it. It looks like your rice, like your basmati rice. Up next we have STPP, and it's a cleaning agent too as well, and it looks like a smoother detergent. And this is your foaming booster. This will help to increase the lather of the soap. We have our fragrance and our Gemal Plus, which is a preservative. Okay, and then we have our powder colors we'll be using for this production. So let's go straight into the melting or diluting of these chemicals. I'm going ahead to dilute our chemicals. I started with the caustic soda in a little amount of water. I'm diluting the soda ash, here SLS, and the next stop will be the STTP. Okay, most of these chemicals take time to dilute, so take your time and make sure you stir until everything is very well melted down. All right, so here I am putting my Texapon into my sulfonic acid. As you know, I will be leaving the recipe at the end of this video. However, in this video I ran out of sulfonic acid, so I had upped the amount of Texapon I am using in this recipe by 500 ml instead of 250. Sulfonic is supposed to be 500, but I had 250, and then Texapon is supposed to be 250, but I had 500, so I just switched it. However, don't get confused. Just wait for the recipe at the end of this video. So in this bucket, I put in 7.5 liters of water, and I am going in with my nitrosol. As you can see, I am stirring vigorously to get the nitrosol melted in properly, fully hydrated, and this stirring will go on for the next 10 minutes. Okay, so nitrosol is a cleaning and thickening agent, and it's also a binding agent, and also can be used to stabilize emotion. It's even used for ice creams and food items too as well, so it's not harmful to the body at all. Here I went in with the sulfonic and the Texapon mixture and stirred for over 10 minutes to make sure I had this consistency you are seeing right here. So I make sure everything is well mixed and incorporated into this mixture. Now I am going in with my caustic soda. This will thicken this mixture. I can feel how heavy it is as I am stirring. So it's a thickener, it's a thickening agent, and it's known to change oils into soap. That's what caustic soda does. Now I am going in with the soda ash, and as you can see, I am pouring it little by little, no rush, little by little, and I'm stirring very well to incorporate the ones that I have poured in, and I am mixing. Now, lest I forget, sulfonic acid and Texapon are foaming agents, and they are cleaning agents as well. Sulfonic acid helps to effectively clean and break down surface tension present between dirt, water, and grease and grime. All right, so once I have mixed all of this in, I go in with my SLS, and I don't need to pour that gradually. The only thing I need to pour gradually is the soda ash solution. Okay, so I'm stirring. If you notice in my productions, I do a lot of stirring. You can't go wrong with stirring because it gives you a more beautiful result at the end of the day. That is the STPP going in now. That other stick was too small for me to use, so I changed into a bigger stick. The foaming booster goes in. I had to clip this short, but make sure that every stir, for every chemical you introduce into your production, make sure you stir for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, that way you can't go wrong with your production. Now, if you know you do not like your multi-purpose soap very snotty, as you see it, stick to the recipe that I will give you at the end of this video. This is Texapon that I put 500 mils is what is responsible for it being this snotty. Okay, so as you saw in the red cups, my fragrance oil and my Jamal Plus came into this production, and I will stir this until I am satisfied. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please, we would love it to have you as part of our little community. Subscribe, like, share our content. Thank you so much. Now I'll go ahead and part this into smaller sections because I would want some colored and I would want a badge uncolored for clothes, because as you know, it's a multi-purpose wash. It can be used for clothes, can be used in your washing machine, can be used for mopping, it can be used to wash plates, to clean the tiles, to clean windows, wash cars. It's multi-purpose. Okay, so this is me mixing in colors in different bowls of the liquid wash. And as you can see, I poured for the yellow color, I just poured straight into it, which is not advisable. Take out a bit, mix the color in, and pour into the bigger batch. As you can see, is what I did for other colors. So you want to have that in mind when you're mixing your colors. Take out a little badge, mix your color in it. Of course, after you've mixed your color in water, then take out a little badge of your soap, mix the color in the little badge before pouring into the bigger badge. That way you have a more stable soap. So I'm going to cover this and leave this overnight for it to settle properly and all incorporate properly. And this is the next day. This is what we have. You can see how clear this is. I'm so excited. I now have a multi-liquid wash for home use. I make large batches to last me a while because multi-purpose liquid wash is very gentle for dresses. I use it to wash my clothes and I have clean results and a nice scented dress at the end of the day. So this one I'll be using to wash my clothes because there is no color in it, and at least I know that my clothes are safe from the colors. Other ones colored will be used for plates, car, mopping, cleaning tiles, windows, and all of that. Please note that I used 500 ml to mix the different colors that I used in this production. This whole production came to 15 liters. The recipe is to make 15 liters. Okay, so take note. If you want your consistency to be a bit more loose, then you can add more water, and that's entirely your own decision to make. Ladder test. So this soap is great for commercial purposes. Okay, the recipe is spot on. It foams, it lathers, it gets the work done. Okay, so just in case you are looking to sell, this is a great recipe you can sell. For mentoring, for your soap classes, your bar soap classes, please reach out to me using the link in the comment section. The first comment pinned will be the link you can use to reach me. All right, so if you want to be mentored, you want to learn how to make soap, please reach out. See you next week. Happy soaping.